I just finished rereading Renovation of the Heart in its 20th anniversary edition, and it was even more insightful and valuable to me than when I read the first edition years ago. But I think that this illustrates the strong theme of the book, which is that our spiritual formation is not a once and for all static belief system, but instead it is an ongoing journey of being transformed into the image of Christ. I had the privilege of knowing Dallas for many years, not only through his books, but also by listening to him at various conferences and being with him over many meal conversations. What so impressed me about Dallas through all these contacts was not only his brilliant mind, but the consistency of his humble and gracious character. He truly taught and reflected the teachings of Jesus in his life. And so his perspectives in Renovation of the Heart are profoundly authentic, spiritual, and practical. But the book also provides a comprehensive psychological and deeply biblical model for how to understand and integrate the various components of our created humanity. Consequently, I believe that this book, and especially in its beautiful new edition, is one of the most significant books written on spiritual formation. As Dallas explains so clearly and convincingly, putting on the character of Christ requires no less than a renovation of our hearts.